enjoying an outing at the eastern glades of Memorial Park in Houston. Zoysia grass here. This turns beautiful blonde color in the winter. And enjoyed by families of all ages. We've got the different blue stem grasses, tall blue stem, lots of cedar elms and pines. Designed by Nelson Bird and Waltz. It's a memorial park, a war memorial, I believe, and so that is carried over in these pillars, this axis that's created with the cedar elms that goes right through to the water area, to the lake. There's an outer ring for jogging, and an inner ring for walking, and then passive recreation in here. Yeah, very beautiful. Quite a new park, just opened in the last 12 months. Lots of native plants, pollinators. Got a bur oak there, tupelo tree. Yeah, very special. This is the formal area within the naturalistic setting. There's a circular path that goes around the outer water course.